Did you know that every 11 seconds, an older adult is treated in the emergency room for a fall? And here's the shocking part. Most of these accidents happen right at home, in the place where we should feel safest. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars or turn your home into a hospital to make it safer. In fact, with just 7 simple modifications, you can dramatically reduce your risk of injury and maintain your independence for years to come. I'm going to share with you the exact changes that safety experts and occupational therapists recommend. Changes that have prevented countless injuries and saved lives. Whether you're planning ahead or helping a loved one, these modifications are practical, affordable, and surprisingly easy to implement. So stay with me until the end, because modification number 5 is something 90% of people overlook, yet it's one of the most important. Let's dive in and make your home the safe haven it should be. The first and most critical modification is improving your bathroom safety, because statistics show that bathrooms are where most home injuries occur for people over 50. The combination of hard surfaces, water, and tight spaces creates the perfect storm for accidents. Start by installing grab bars near your toilet and inside your shower or bathtub. Now, I'm not talking about those cheap suction cup bars that fall off when you need them most. Invest in professionally installed wall-mounted grab bars that can support at least 300 pounds. They should be installed into wall studs, not just drywall. Place one vertically near the shower entrance, one horizontally along the back wall of your shower, and one next to your toilet. These bars provide stability when you're getting in and out of the shower or standing up from the toilet, which are moments when balance is most vulnerable. Additionally, replace your regular shower head with a handheld version. This allows you to sit on a shower chair if needed and still bathe comfortably and safely. Add a non-slip bath mat both inside and outside your shower, and consider replacing your traditional bathtub with a walk-in tub or curbless shower if your budget allows. The second modification focuses on lighting, which is absolutely crucial, yet often overlooked. As we age, our eyes need significantly more light to see clearly, and our night vision diminishes. Poor lighting is a major contributor to trips, falls, and missteps throughout the home. Install bright LED bulbs in every room, aiming for at least 75 to 100 watts equivalent in main living areas. Pay special attention to stairways, which should be illuminated from both the top and bottom with 3-way switches so you can turn lights on before descending or ascending. Here's a game changer. Install motion-activated night lights in your bedroom, bathroom, and hallway. These lights automatically illuminate your path when you get up at night, eliminating the dangerous journey through darkness to find a light switch. Place them low on the wall, about 6 inches from the floor, so they light your path without disturbing your sleep or your partner's. Don't forget about exterior lighting as well. Motion sensor lights at your front door, back door, and garage entrance ensure you're never fumbling with keys in the dark. Modification number 3 involves removing tripping hazards, and this requires a critical eye throughout your entire home. Walk through each room and identify anything that could catch your foot or cause you to stumble. Electrical cords are major culprits. Use cord organizers to secure them along baseboards or behind furniture. Better yet, have an electrician install additional outlets so cords don't need to stretch across walkways. Remove or secure all area rugs and runners. I know they're decorative and many people love them, but they're incredibly dangerous. If you must keep them, use double-sided carpet tape or non-slip rug pads underneath every single one. Clear your floors of clutter, magazines, shoes, and pet toys. Create a habit of keeping pathways completely clear, especially the route from your bedroom to the bathroom. Look at your thresholds between rooms. If you have raised thresholds that create a tripping hazard, consider having them removed or installing small ramps to create smooth transitions. Finally, secure or remove low furniture like ottomans and footstools that you might not see and could trip over, especially in dim lighting. The fourth modification is installing stair safety features, because stairs are the second most common location for falls in the home. Every staircase should have sturdy handrails on both sides, not just one. These railings should extend beyond the top and bottom steps so you have something to grip before you even start climbing or descending. The railings should be easy to grasp, typically round or oval, about 1.5 inches in diameter. If your stairs don't currently have railings on both sides, hire a contractor to install them properly. It's an investment that could literally save your life. Add non-slip tread strips to each step. These textured adhesive strips provide extra traction and are especially helpful when stairs get wet from tracked-in rain or snow. Mark the edge of each step with bright contrasting tape, preferably yellow or white, so the edge is clearly visible. This is particularly important for the top and bottom steps, where most stair-related falls occur. If you have basement stairs, consider installing a stair lift if you find yourself avoiding the basement due to mobility concerns. Modern stair lifts are much more affordable and less intrusive than they used to be. Here's modification number 5, the one that most people completely overlook: rearranging your storage and frequently used items to eliminate the need for reaching, bending, or using step stools. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective at preventing injuries. Go through your kitchen and move everything you use daily to counter height, or the easiest to reach cabinets. Your dishes, glasses, coffee, medications, and cooking essentials should all be between waist and shoulder height. There should be absolutely no reason for you to use a step stool in your daily routine. Move heavy items like large pots, appliances, and canned goods to lower cabinets or get rid of them if you no longer use them regularly. In your bedroom, ensure your clothing and shoes are stored in easy-to-reach locations. If you have a high closet rod, have it lowered or install a pull-down closet rod system. Your laundry supplies should also be at a comfortable height. This single modification eliminates 2 major injury risks: falling from step stools and back injuries from excessive bending and lifting. The 6th modification is upgrading your flooring for maximum safety. If you're planning any renovations, or if your flooring is due for replacement, choose materials carefully. Avoid glossy tiles and high-polish hardwood, which become incredibly slippery when wet. Instead, opt for textured vinyl, cork, or matte finish engineered hardwood. These materials provide better traction while still being easy to clean and maintain. In bathrooms and kitchens where water is common, use slip-resistant tile with a textured surface. If replacing flooring isn't in your budget right now, you can improve safety by ensuring all existing flooring is in good repair. Fix loose boards, re-adhere lifting vinyl, and repair any uneven surfaces or lips between rooms. Even a small raised edge can catch a toe and cause a fall. The 7th and final modification is creating a communication and emergency system. Install a phone in every major room of your house, or ensure your cell phone is always charged and with you. Consider getting a medical alert system, which typically comes as a pendant or wristband that you can press if you fall or need help. These systems connect you to emergency services 24/7 and provide peace of mind both for you and your loved ones. Keep a list of emergency contacts, your medications, and your medical conditions in a visible location, like on your refrigerator. Smart home devices like Amazon Echo or Google Home can also serve as emergency communication tools, since you can use voice commands to call for help, even if you can't reach a phone. There you have it, 7 home safety modifications that can dramatically reduce your risk of injury and help you maintain your independence. Remember, you don't have to implement all of these at once. Start with the areas of greatest concern in your home and work your way through the list. The investment you make in safety today will pay dividends in confidence, security, and well-being for years to come. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Ageless Code Lab for more practical tips on living your best life after 50. What safety modification are you planning to tackle first? Let me know in the comments below. Stay safe, stay independent, and I'll see you in the next video.